Hello everyone. Today we will talk about IIT Delhi's Summer Research Fellowship Program. Are you passionate about research and innovation? This program offers a fantastic opportunity for any undergraduate student to work with some of the best faculty members and researchers in various fields. The fellowship work can be done in a period of 8 to 12 weeks, which can be availed of during at most 2 visits. It is open to all undergraduate students except those from IITs. You will also have access to state-of-the-art facilities and mentorship from experienced researchers. The fellowship also allows you to connect with fellow researchers and build lasting relationships with a diverse group of people from all over the country. The program offers hands-on experience and chance to work with some of the best researchers in the country. You will gain a deeper understanding of your field and hone research skills. Plus, you'll get to experience the vibrant culture and exciting environment of New Delhi. So don't wait any longer. Apply now for Summer Research Fellowship Program at IIT Delhi and take the first step towards an exciting career in research. The last date of submitting the application is 17th April 2023, which is today itself. To learn more about this fantastic opportunity, visit the link in the description.